For this heart, we'll need 142 beads. Mine are 10 millimeters, my fishing line is 0.6 millimeters, and we'll make a pendant like this. First row, take 4 beads, put them on the fishing line. Make a loop and secure it at the end. Mine slipped. Here, let's make a square like this. Second row, put 1 bead on the left fishing line. 2 on the right. Make a loop and form a square. Third row, put 1 bead on the left fishing line. 2 on the right. Secure everything in the same way. Fourth row, put 3 beads on the right fishing line. Make a loop at the end and secure it. The fishing line is large for now, but everything will be fine later. As you can see, the fishing line has moved to the top. Fifth row, put 1 bead on the left fishing line, 2 on the right fishing line, and secure it.
Sixth row, 1 bead on the left fishing line. 2 on the right. Make a loop and that's it. Fasten off. My row is the same, 1 bead on the left fishing line, 2 on the right. And fasten off. Row 8, put 2 beads on the right fishing line. Round off. Don't put anything on the left fishing line. Like this. Row 9, put 1 bead on the left fishing line, 2 on the right. And fasten off. Row 10, put 2 beads on the right fishing line and fasten off. Row 11, 1 bead on the left fishing line, 2 on the right. And fasten off. Row 12, put 2 beads on the right fishing line. One of my fishing lines has become longer, so I won't make a loop here, but will simply crisscross it like this so that the fishing lines switch places. You don't have to do this. Row 13, we put 1 bead on the left fishing line, 2 on the right one and fasten everything. Make a loop and fasten it. Fourteenth row, notice that we put 3 beads on the left fishing line. This is our center, and we form it. Make a loop and fasten it. Like this. 15th row, as you can see, our fishing line has come to the top. We put 1 bead on the left fishing line, 2 on the right one. Make a loop and fasten everything. Sixteenth row. We put 2 beads on the right fishing line and fasten it. Seventeenth row. We put 1 bead on the left fishing line and 2 on the right one. That's it. Then the 18th row. We put 2 beads on the right fishing line. 19th row. We put 1 bead on the left fishing line and 2 on the right one. We complete our row. We put one bead on the right fishing line and push it through the very first bead. And tighten it with the fishing line. Then we go along the neighboring beads to tighten. This is where our fishing line comes out. This is where I go back, like this. Go along the fishing line again, secure it and you can cut it. Now I have hidden our fishing line, like this along the beads. We need 2 of these pieces. On the second piece, do not cut the fishing line, leave it longer, or insert a new one. And now we will connect them around the perimeter like this. I start with this bead on the left. Here, we look for the same bead on the second heart. We insert one bead onto the fishing line and pass it through the same bead, only on the other heart. Like this. Next, we put one bead on the right fishing line. Make a loop, connect it and secure it like this. Hide the knot inside. Next, what do? Fishing line, go along the adjacent beads. And in this way, we'll connect along the entire perimeter. I'll show you again, and then you can do it yourself. Do the same with the right or left fishing line, whichever is more convenient for you. We string one bead and secure it in the loops. We hide the trim inside, and that's it. We go like this along the entire perimeter, right here on top. Don't forget your pendant. Let's do it ourselves. Look, one more thing. If you run out of fishing line during the connection process, like I did, don't worry. We'll just go back like this and hide it among the beads. I've already shown this in other videos, how to hide fishing line. So, here in the middle, we'll go again now, like this. Like this. Grab this fishing line. Okay, it should be on top. And let's go back into this same bead. Like this. And tighten this fishing line inside. Next, we'll go down the beads like this. In the middle. So we'll secure it. We can cut it off. Next, we take a new piece of fishing line and continue weaving from where we stopped. We thread it through this bead and the next one, the top one. And we continue connecting our 2 hearts in the same way. Now I've made half, the top part remains. You see, I've reached the top. At this point, I attach my carabiner or pendant, whatever you have. Don't forget. That's it. Now I add a bead and continue connecting. I just thought I'd remind you so you don't forget. And that's it. That was the last bead, it turns out, in this row. Now we just secure our fishing line along the beads. We'll secure it here. Next, we'll go ahead, secure it and cut it off. So, we've secured our heart around the perimeter at the top. What do we do next? Now we need to connect it here inside. This will be a little more difficult, but we can't do it. Let's do it ourselves and come back. That's it. We've connected our heart inside, connected it outside, and attached a clasp like this to hold it in place. I hope you got it all worked out too. And by the way, you can leave your wishes in the comments. What you'd like me to do for you, what tutorial, what masterclass, what beadwork project is specifically for you. Let me know in the comments, and I'll try to create a masterclass for you.